All right, this is the almost finished product. I gotta let it dry overnight, the concrete, so it sets and it doesn't move around, so it stays secure. Yeah, so these are glued with PVC glue, you know. And on the bottom, I didn't glue those on the bottom because I might want to make them higher or adjustable. Like when the water comes up in the summertime, I'll probably put longer pegs on the bottom of those so it sticks out more. And I gotta just put a little rock under that one so it's more even. That's it. So tomorrow, my boat will be docked right there. Boom, done. My journey to personal freedom. Nice little sunset. Yeah, me and my daughter just went out for a little tool around in the lake. We got it rained on, of course, but just want to see the sunset. It's pretty nice. Check you out later. Bye.